So today we are discussing certified premium mock exam 10 maths questions. So the first question here is about logarithms. Here we will use the product rule. It says if two quantities like you can say plus log b are added, we can write it as log a dot b. Okay, so this is we are going to do the first step that we need to know. Okay, so we will write it as log, it is log 10, it is here, not here. So it is log 10 into x minus 1, bracket here, and x plus 1 here. So we will convert the logarithmic form now into the exponential form. Okay, logarithmic to exponential form. In exponential form, this will become, I'm going to write it as x minus 1, x plus 1, and this will be going to be the power of this 10. It will be like 10 raised to power 1. Okay, so we're going to solve this now. X square minus 1, that is equal to 10, and we can write it as x square is equal to 10 plus 1, so x under root is equal to 11, so x will be is equal to under root 11. So correct answer will be beta under root 11. Okay, so now we are going on to the next question, that is about the slope of the line passing through points are given 2, 3 and 6, 11. So okay, the slope of the line passing through 2, 3 and 6, 11. So first of all, we need to know about the formulas, the slope formula. It is basically says m is equal to y2 minus y1 and divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so this is the formula to find the slope of a line given. Okay, so the first one is x and the second one is y. This first one is x and second one is y. So this is x1, this is x2, this is y1, and this is y2. So we're going to y2 minus y1. What is y2 here? Y2 here is 11 and y1 is 3. So 11 minus 3 divided by 6 in minus 2. So it will be 8 by 4 and before will be 2. So correct answer will be 2. So the slope for this line that is passing through a point 2, 3, like we have an axis, the point 2, 3, 2 on the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis, right here, and 11, 6, 11 will be around, like you can say 6 will be here around, so it will be around like this. So this is passing like here. So we have to find a slope that I found it. Okay, so the next question, oh okay, so the next question is about how many different ways can 3 students be chosen from 7. So it is, you can say, belongs to combinations like combinatorics. Okay, so the formula that we will use here will be r n here and is equal to n and divided by r and n minus r to this. Okay, so what this implies, you guys know what this implies. It says if you can say for this, then we will write it like this: 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so now we are going to solve the question. So they're saying how many can different ways. So we'll write n is 6, n is 7, sorry, n is 7, and r is 3. Okay, 3 students, and how many ways? 7 ways. So n will be 7. Okay, so it looks like this: 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 in, uh, into 1. And here it is like 3 into 2 into 1, and n minus r will be 7 minus 3 will be 4. So it 4 will be 4 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply by 1. So this cancels out, this all cancels out. Okay, and it remains like this: 7 into 6 42. You can say cut it as well: 3 into 2 6, and 6 cancels out. Then we multiply, we are only left with 7 into 5. 7 into 5 will be 35. So here C is your correct answer. Okay, all right. Okay, going on to the next question. So it is about like trigonometric equation question, trigonometry, related to trigonometry. We need to know what is being told in the question here. This is sine theta is equal to 1 by 2. It is a pretty simple question basically. You just need to know the values of trigonometric ratios, like what is sine 90, sine 45, and all these answers. Okay, so if you know the what is the answer of 1 by 2 when theta is 30, it will be sine 30 into 1 by 2. So this is a direct option, but here you have given answer as well. Like you can say pi is 180, and here we have given that theta will be greater than 0 and less than 180. Okay, so this is so it is a basically you can say a memorized question, because you don't have calculators in the IMAT exam, so you just need to memorize these you can say values, make a table of all these trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan, so you get these questions pretty quick. So the answer here will is pi by 6, that is pi is 180, that will be divided by 6, this will be 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, okay, next question is a number is increased by 20% and then decreased by 20%, the final results is. So let's take a example. Let's for like you can say let's take 100. That will be easy to solve. Let's take 100, and it says a number is increased by 20%. So 20% of 100 will be 20. We're adding 20 in it, and it will becomes 120, and then decrease by 120. So we have to decrease 20% from this value, not from this 100. Okay, from this value 120. So we have to find the 20% of 120. It will be like this: 100 is divided by this divided by this is x. So this is 120 into 20 divided by 100 is equal to x. So this cancels out. 12 into 2 is 24. So the 20% of 120 is 24. This is 20% of 120. So we might do some subtraction here. 120 minus 24, it will be 96. So this is how much less than the original amount. The original amount was 100, and how much is decreased? It decreased to 96. So we find the percentage We can find it like this way as well. Percentage 90. No, wait. So the original amount is 100. So it decreased 4 points. So if we minus 4 points from here, we will get 96. Yeah, right. And also, as we took 100, it is like be more easy to deal with, because will contain 1% e and how much it decreased, four numbers. So it is decreased by four numbers, so it is less, 4% less than the original. So this is pretty easy question. We have to write it. Okay, this is this. So 2 into 5. So we will add this, and in multiplying we will add the powers. Okay, divided by 2 into 4, and it will be 2 into 8 divided by 2 into 4, and when it comes up it will be 2 8 minus 4. This will be 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 is 2 into 2 into 2, and 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So this will be 16. So these were the questions that we discussed. If you have any queries, comment section is there. Ask. Okay. Good luck. Bye bye, guys.